Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the Bitcoin market. So on the Bitcoin, most changes stand on intraday charts. That's why on the weekly and monthly chart not have really big changes. As we already said last time, the shape of the January has turned from that shooting star pattern into the high wave doji, which indicates either indecision or some pause in our prediction, which is much better than the shooting star, you understand, because shooting star is obviously the bearish pattern. Here still this pattern keeps open for possible up prediction, or at least for a wide fluctuation inside of this range, which could provide lots of different trending signals through the month. Also, market stands above the yearly pivot point, which is positive sign. And in general, by taking a look at this technical picture, it seems that it's just a question of time when the market will complete the XOP and touch the yearly pivot resistance one, because by all signs here, trend direction, fast acceleration, performance in this area, all this mostly have the bullish signs. But we will see. On the weekly chart, the same story. So no big changes. So we do not see actually some really any breakouts or something. So market is dealing with our bread and butter that we have discussed. Our prediction starts pretty nice, but the target has not been reached yet. And here we're coming to the most interesting thing. So on a daily chart, market has reached the 50% resistance around 43.80 and now starting the pullback. So if you remember last time we talked about reverse hand and shoulders, and we suggested that might become the background for the further upper direction right to our target. We keep this scenario valid. So we're talking about the same hand and shoulders, but take a look. Although we thought that maybe it will be this type of action, so here right arm will be formed, market was strong enough to make it much better looking. So because it has formed a horizon neckline, which is much more pleasant to take a look at, and only right now it starts the forming of the right arm. So potentially it might be something like this, a bit wider pattern, and shoulders might be a bit smaller. We will see, but in general you understand the idea. So currently with this performance, market has reached approximately the same resistance areas as was here and starting downward direction. Now we need to consider where the potential low of the shoulder might be and what particular extensions and levels we could keep an eye on. In particular, on the 4 time frame chart, it seems that an area around 41.50 should be very similar and harmonic to these lows. This potentially might become the area when the market could start up prediction. So at least we need to keep an eye on it. On the hourly chart, you could see that market could form minor hand and shoulders pattern that could trigger this retracement, and actually already is triggering this retracement. And but the shape of this pattern is not recognized yet totally. So approximately it might be like here. Let's take a look. With this downward direction of the head, on the slope of the head, we have the ABCD pattern with the XOP target around 41.40. which is actually corresponds to the lows right there already. So it means that from the harmony of this pattern, it doesn't need to show any deeper retracement. That's why we consider this level, this conference where market is coming to, as the first area where theoretically it is possible to make an attempt and take the long position. Why we think that this is relatively safe? Just because if even later we will get this head and shoulders, the market will show deeper retracement. At the first touch of this level, we probably, or at least with a high degree of the probability, we should get the bounce. Just to, first of all, just because to form the right arm, and second, because this level itself is rather strong. So we consider this as confluence and agreement with the downside XOP target. So that's why we think that this level more or less interesting to consider first attempt to go long. Because if market will reestablish upward action directly from this level, you will be in the market. And if you will be waiting for this retracement, you could probably not get it if it will not happen. So from that standpoint, it seems relatively safe, because on the downward action, you're just out of the break even, or even you could get some money with this upward bounce and see what will happen. So that's our idea. So all this stuff that we're talking about, is retracements and so on, this is mostly tactical thing. Because actually the core of our view is this one, with upward action. But what the fluctuations will be around this area, yes, this is important for from practical point of view, where you could take the position, how you could take it. But from the strategy idea, from the point of view of the strategy, it's not very important. It will be important if market will start breaking this bullish context. So that's our 2 cents on the Bitcoin market. In the current environment, we are not considering taking any short position. So just let's keep watching and see what performance we will get.